Hello, this is Lisa. I'm so excited that my second collaboration watch with Bvlgari is finally out, and I'm going to unbox it right now. Well, I just wanted to make a special, unique watch that could represent me. Something bold, feminine, and fun for the first edition. I chose a color-changing dial. And for this second collaboration, the dial is made with almost 400 hand-cut mother of pearl. It's so elegant. I would love to wear this on stage. Can't wait! I personalized both collaboration with my favorite flower, which is edelweiss, and it's a symbol of strength and devotion. It has such a special meaning for me, so for this new edition, I wanted to use the same design as my tattoo. If you can see it in the back, it has a more personal touch to it. I